Hi you guys, another quick video on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 series that I'm doing on YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect a hard drive to your N3. You can connect it to your other Samsung devices as well, but primarily you need this cable. You need to buy an OTG cable, and you can see on one end there's a micro USB to a female standard size USB, and you can pick these up anywhere. You can get them on eBay, Amazon, a few dollars, few pounds, few euros. They're not very expensive at all. Very, very easy to pick up. You may get them in most electrical shops as well. So first of all, you need one of these. You need a hard drive, obviously, with a standard USB connector, and you need a pen drive if you're going to use a pen drive, a USB stick. And first of all, you need to connect your drive to the bottom of your N3, and this is using a standard micro USB. It's not a USB 3. It's going to be compatible as well. It just slots into the bottom, and what we'll do, we'll prop this up so we can see what's going on, and we'll use the case to prop it up. And you can pretty much see when I connect the cable. So I'll connect the cable in now. I'll get this the right way around, connect it in, and I can show you the drive light on the bottom of the Samsung device. You won't hear it whirring up, but I can actually hear the disc going from where I am. And we'll leave that a second, see what happens. And you can see automatically on the device, without me touching it or going into any file settings, it's opened up the standard My File application that's on your Samsung device. I'll move the drive in front of us so we can see it again a bit. So we'll move everything around slightly. There we go. And what you've got in the file management system now, you can go into the USB drive A. Very, very simple. You can transfer files across using this from drive A to B or your SD card, so you can download movies onto your phone and then transfer them onto a hard drive, etc. And we'll quickly go down and find a file. You can see I've got holiday pics, I've got all sorts of things on the drive here, so we'll pick a folder. I've got a movie on here that's out on YouTube. It's in the public domain, but we won't play too much of it due to copyright issues with YouTube. And you can see on the main page now, you get a choice of prompt to choose a player. Standard video player, MX player. Standard video player on the N3, very, very good. Will play most codecs and files that you want to play. So we'll pick that one. We'll just click once. And like I say, we'll just show you that it does work, and you can hear the sound. So we'll get in there. That's the splash scene for the beginning of the film, and you can see the movie will start playing. The sound's okay. So we'll quickly get out of that. We'll go back to the home screen. What you can also do once you click back out, you can obviously open your file manager back up, and you can choose any file manager you want. I've got My Files, ES File Explorer or Solid Explorer. We'll go back into the Samsung one that's built on there. We'll go back one step. We'll move further down and we'll look for another file. You can see I've got a Windows 8 file at the bottom here, which is a full ISO file to burn onto another device, but that's actually on this drive, and it can be seen on your Note 3. Obviously it won't be recognised. And we can go into, let's have a look. I've got an entitled folder here. Quick look in that folder, you can see it's full of music, so we'll pick an album out of there, and we'll pick an album again and a track, and it'll then again prompt you again to use Google Play Music or the sound player, and you can pick the default one you want. You can set them as default so they're always, or you can just go once. So we'll pick the Samsung player and go once, and you can see again storage USB drive A, unentitled folder, first aid kit playing on the device. Really good quality. Drive's going no problem. Even with a large file, there's no problem playing it. So we'll quickly get out of that. So we'll quickly go back to the home screen. Now, one thing I will say, when you mount any drive, same as if you mount it on any Linux or a Mac, you need to unmount the drive. Don't go pulling USB cables out without unmounting, because you can damage the drive and also damage your phone. So you need to do a set procedure to get out of it. But what you can do, you can go back to your home screen. You're on your home screen. From the top of the screen, move this over so we can see it a bit better. From the top of your screen, pull down from the top of the screen, and you can see USB mass storage connected. And all you need to do to unmount this from your phone is tap it once and wait for the prompts on the screen. It should come up, and you can see at the bottom of the screen now, USB mass storage can be removed safely. And once you get that message and it's not shown on the top of the drop down menu, there's nothing there, you can see that you can remove it quite easily, and you're back to your standard, and you can see USB disconnected at the top and no error messages. You can also see I'm sporting the Samsung Galaxy Gear. I've started to upload a few videos on the Gear, and I'll get them up pretty quickly. Very impressed with the device at the moment. and I'll talk about it in depth in another video. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, give me a like if this has been helpful to you, and any questions you've got on attaching a drive or anything else to your Samsung devices, leave questions below and I'll get back to you. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and I'll get more videos out to you in the near future. Thanks for watching.